You see Puppy?
He said puppy really good.
He's going after the puppy.
He needs to go through there to get that kitty.
Oh, looky here, Braeden.
You want me to move the pot?
Braeden, look behind you. Braeden.
Braeden.
You want to move the pot?
Hey,
Braeden.
Braeden.
Sit on the cat.
Braeden, there's a puppy back here.
There's a big puppy.
Look, over there.
Look, there's a big puppy.
Come here, Ellie.
Puppy.
Come here.
Looky.
Come
Looky
here.
here.
See the little boy. Come here.
Looky.
Ellie girl.
I want to smell everybody that might smell like a dog. Might have a pet at home.
Hey, Braeden, look.
Meow.
Braeden, look.
Calls him meow. Right here. This one will let you pet her. Right here.
This little kitty here will.
There's
so many animals to play with.
fussy.
Say meow.
Meow.
You want to just say meow.
You want to kiss?
Oh, he didn't like that.
You don't want to kiss?
That'd be kitty cat, so mommy can take. You want to pick you out a candy out of here?
He wants to pick him up.
Something you like?
That black one in his
Oh, I don't know
bag.
whether you can eat that or not. That'd be awful hard on.
That's
Here's some fruit.
thing in the world.
Get your little fruit snackies there.
No, not those. Here.
That's bubble gum.
I think it's gum.
There.
Come on.
He allows it.
Say bye-bye. Tell the puppy
There's
bye.
M&M's too.
Meow.
There's M&M's.
Say thank you. Come on, put them in your bag.
Candy, you lost your candy on the floor there.
He's watching for the cat. He likes that one there.
That looks like Julie, doesn't it?
It's over there.
That's the same one.
Yeah, I brought him over here too.
So he wants to.
Don't
he
want
wants
to
say
touch
something.
him.
He's so happy.
No biting, Fluffy.
Nice kitty.
Puppy?
I know when. I think when the cat touches him.
This one weighs a ton.
I hope you're taking a video.
No, that one weighs a ton.
You like kitties?
Come on, Braeden Chase.
Do you have a kitty?
Yeah,